Hey man, what's up? You mind if, can I take your picture? Alright, we're out here. We're gonna walk around, you know, just do a little photo walk. So we'll see what we get. The lens I'm using today is an 85 millimeter. See that right there? 1.2. So 85 is a really good portrait lens. So maybe I can get some portraits tonight. We'll see what happens. I'm just trying to find an interesting composition because I like the sign. Just seeing how I can find how I can put it in an interesting place inside of the frame. So I move around. I try to get behind that tree. I think taking it from behind this metal sign right here might, you know, give it more of a city feel, street photography feel. Look at the reflection off. Check out the reflection off this metal sign. I don't know. It looks cool to me, but so I'm taking this shot here. So I like the composition of it. It looks like an old town feel, and then it kind of like frames it up inside of this tree right here. There's a freaking teddy bear right here. It's just such a depressing photo, but I'm gonna take it. Yo, he scared me. I was like, oh, some random person's coming up and talking to me. Dude, look, some kid left their teddy bear. Isn't that depressing?
You did not set that up, did you?
Dude, why would I be walking around with a teddy bear?
That's because that's like what a photographer would do.
Yeah, just like bringing props and putting them places. No, I'm just walking around. Trying to help out beginner to intermediate photographers, creating content that like basically explains things like my thought process and why I do a thing a certain way. Let me know if there's a train coming. I don't mess around with trains. There's a good light right here right now because you got the backlighting from the sun. I'm gonna take a picture of this real estate sign. So trying to get my line straight. I moved out a little bit to get the sign because if I move over here, it's blocked. So these light poles create a cool vanishing point.
I'll talk to you later.
Yeah, man. See you later. I took this photo straight on. It just basically looks like a blurry photo and someone like typed some typography or whatever on top of it, right? Actually, I think I like this a little better because there's that blue brick in the front. Hey man, what's up? You mind if, can I take your picture?
Yeah.
I like your shirt. I just saw it, so I was like, maybe you want a picture with your car or something?
Yeah.
So the sign, and I'm giving it a little bit more depth by getting behind something. Some good lights. So I'm taking this shot just because it looked like an interesting composition to me. Get my camera a little lower. If you take the photo and it just looks kind of what I always try to do is change my perspective if I think it's an interesting enough subject here. Excuse me. I was wondering, would you guys like if I take your picture? I'm just gonna try. I wanted to try to get a picture here, but I can.
Anniversary, man, so good.
Oh yeah, really? Oh, perfect timing then, right? You know, I was taking a picture of this street, and I was like, it's kind of boring, but like if I had a subject, then it might look cool, right? So, man, I didn't even have to pose you. You guys know what you're doing, huh? What year anniversary? 15, man. Congratulations.
Thank you.
That's very cool. It's very cool. Awesome. It was nice meeting you.